Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to share your screen on Zoom mobile application, in today's video we are going to guide you through the method for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So you may start by opening up the Zoom application for that. And once you open up the Zoom application, this is the particular interface you should be finding on your screen. Now from here, what you may do is you can directly join up a meeting. You can either schedule or directly join someone else's meeting. You can tap on join or meet. And once you end up your meeting, this is the particular interface you should be finding. You can directly tap on your screen, and once you tap on your screen, on the bottom of your screen, you should be finding different options available. Also, what you may do is you can look out for the option for the more option right beside participants. You can find it up, you can tap on it, and a menu pops up. From the given menu, you can select the very first option called share. So go ahead and tap on share, and from there you'll be finding option. If you want to share Zoom docs, you can share those, whiteboards, photos, etc. But since you're sharing the whole screen, what you may do is you can tap on this option of share directly and then tap on start now once you do so. And once you do so, your entire screen will be shared within the Zoom. Other participants will be able to see your screen. So you can just go over and share whatever you're trying to share. And if you're done and you want to stop it, in the bottom left corner, you can find the arrow button. So you can just tap on it. And there you'll be finding three options. You can select the very last option called stop share and confirm it up, and your screen will stop sharing. And that's it. Usually, this is a method you can follow up if you'd like to share your screen on Zoom on mobile. So, we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.